Good afternoon and happy Friday to all of you. And finally it's weekend in Dubai. So I just actually finished cleaning the house, dusting and then vacuuming, and now I'm doing my washing the clothes. So it's still going on. I haven't washed our clothes for the last 3 weeks. So because anyway there's no much because we didn't go out, we just stay home, so that was fine. And I haven't have my breakfast today because I was just caught up with so many house chores to do. And anyway, today for lunch I'm gonna make beef broccoli with oyster sauce. This dish is just a one pan method. It's very easy to follow. And first we have to marinate our beef. Okay, so I'll show you. This is my beef. This is just like 500 grams. Okay, and here I'm gonna put salt. Just 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and olive oil or any cooking oil you have. And I'll put cornstarch. So cornstarch, just half tablespoon of cornstarch, and soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And let's just mix this well. And then I will put 1 lemon. This is optional. Lemon is just optional. If you don't want to put, that's okay. Okay. And then let's sit aside. Sit aside for 10 minutes. Okay, for the meanwhile, so let's just cut our vegetables. I feel vegetable only. I have here broccoli, so let's cut. And we need also garlic, finely chopped of garlic, and a ginger as well. So now let's just cut this first while we are waiting for our beef. Sorry guys for the noise, it's just my washing machine right now is spinning. Yeah, washing clothes. So we cut our broccoli like this. Not too small, just now we do our garlic. Washing guys is finished. this is okay. Now, ginger. Finish. So now let's brown our beef first. And the other ingredients we'll be using for the gravy, we need a sesame oil, we need an oyster sauce, soy sauce, and cornstarch. And I'm also gonna use this beef cubes, but I'm just using half of it, not all, just half. So first brown our beef. So now our pan is heated up. No need to put oil, just direct the beef. So let's just brown this. In a medium flame. So now this is done. Our beef is brown, so we have to remove this from the pan. So in here we have to put olive oil, and then put our garlic. And now we can put our ginger. And then we'll put sesame oil. For sesame oil, it's up to you guys. I'm only putting for me 1 tablespoon. Okay, now we can put our broccoli. And then just saute this for 1 minute. And now we can put our oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, just 1 tablespoon. That's enough. Now we put little water, like 2 cups of water. So let it boil. First we put our half Maggi cubes. Put it in and just let it boil. And now it's already boiling. Now we can add our beef. Okay, and then we also add our soy sauce. Soy sauce is just 1 tablespoon, yes. Let it cook until meat gets tender. Until the meat gets cooked and tender. So now we can put our cornstarch. I'm just putting half tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water. This is to thicken the gravy. Okay. Just simmer this for another minute. And now this is ready now. This is cooked. So let's just taste. Taste if it's okay. So let's taste. Let's taste the meat first. So tender. Very nice. I like it. I can taste the lemon on this. It really gives a nice flavor. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed or like my one pan method recipe today. Until next time, bye.